D10 match. Hello.
हार नहीं मानेंगे, लड़ते हम जाए, खेलते हम जाए, हम है HAP, सबको दिखाएंगे, साबित करेंगे, मुश्किल टकराएंगे, हम है HAP। जीते तो हम ही हैं, छोड़े तो ही हारे,
Backlight into the match.
आसमां छूले खेल हम जीते उम्मीदों के पंखों से, तूफान की तेजी से, छोटे कदम हम ले, आसान नहीं छोड़ते नहीं, तैरते ही जाए, किस्मत को बदले खेलो दिल से, मंजिल टकराएंगे, हमारे साथ HAP, हमारे साथ HAP।
Happiness belong to all, happiness belong to all। कभी नहीं छोड़ेंगे, आग लगाएंगे, कभी नहीं झुकेंगे हम, और खेलेंगे, मजा भी ले लेंगे, माथा ऊंचा करेंगे हम।
D10 format, the short format of the game.
समंदर से बड़ा हमारी दर्दियां, छोटी सी मछली भी पंख से तैर पावे ना, पैदा से ही शुरू होंगी लड़ाइयां, बस मुस्कुराते हिम्मत से जीवन
Hamsika is on the striker end.
किस्मत को बदले खेलो
A
दिल से
non-striker end
मंजिल को
was
पाएंगे,
Sandhya. The two
हमारे
batters
साथ
from the
HAP, हमारे साथ HAP, हमारे साथ HAP।
Captain Anusha to begin this over. Hansika is on the striker end, left-hander batter. And on the non-striker end we have Sandhya. This will be a T10 match. जिंदगी 4 दिन की है तो 5 दिन का टेस्ट मैच क्यों? शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट ऑफ द गेम वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। बहुत कम समय में एक्साइटमेंट, रोमांच, सस्पेंस, थ्रिल सभी देखने को मिलता है। एम्पायर ने इशारा कर दिया है तो काउंटडाउन बिगिंस। 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, लेट्स प्ले। First ball to begin the proceeding. First run coming up to the bat of Hansika. Opens the account. One run on the scoreboard. That's a lovely ambience here. Murray Lakshman Reddy grounds. trying to sweep that ball, completely beaten. There's no chance of a run. And nicely hit. There's a chase for the fielder. One comfortable run. 1+1. The scoreboard shows 2 runs on the scoreboard. We are in the very first over of the match. T10 is the format. Oh, there's a chance of a run out. And out. Hansika falling short. The first wicket in the form of run out. Hansika has to go. Hansika is out in the form of run out, just falling short. Ankita is the next batter who will be pairing with Sandhya. B2 category. Very first over of the match. The official umpires. The match going live on YouTube. You can watch live on air. Sandhya to face straight to the fielder. No chance of a run. We have esteemed guests in the VIP gallery. This will be the last ball of the first over. एक अंतिम गेंद है इस ओवर की, पहले ओवर की। 3 रन बने हैं स्कोरबोर्ड पर, 1 विकेट का नुकसान भी हुआ है। A cheeky single. First over gone. Scoreboard shows us 5 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. మొదటి ఓవర్ ముగిసేసరికి 5 పరుగులు, 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి. Sangeeta will bowl. Sangeeta will bowl her first over and the second over of the innings. Such a beautiful ground, green, lush ground. We are very thankful for providing this lovely ground and lovely support. Sandhya sweeping that ball, gets 2 runs for that. B2 category. Sandhya Ankita on strike to face Sangeeta. Nicely hit. It's a clean hit. Looking for 2. Direct throw would have made run out, but take 2 runs. They are looking for 2 and get 2. We are in over number 2. Now on the offside into the cover region. Looking for 2 again. Comfortably get it. Pitched outside the off stump, called wide by umpire. Pitching a little outside of the off stump. Get an extra run, extra delivery. Nicely swept into the square leg boundary region. The ball a bit slow out of field. They'll be definitely looking for the 3rd run, but no. The throw comes in. "15 runs on the scoreboard." We are in over number 2. Very expensive over, 9 runs coming off the 4 balls, 2 balls to go. Getting inside edge of the bat. And very lucky, it did not carry to the wicket. Last ball of the 2nd over. Sangeeta, a little expensive. Already 9 runs considered in first 5 balls. Last ball of the 2nd over. Straight into the follow through. Looking for a run, and they get it. 10 runs coming off Sangeeta's over. 2 overs gone at 16 runs on the scoreboard, losing 1 wicket. 2 ఓవర్లు ముగిసేసరికి 16 పరుగులు 1 विकेट नष्टाనికి. 2 ओवर की समाप्ति पर 16 रन 1 विकेट का नुकसान हुआ है. 8 ओवर का खेल अभी शेष है. माफ कीजिएगा, 17 रन बना है. 17 रन ऑन द स्कोरबोर्ड. B1 कैटेगरी टोटल ब्लाइंड के लिए 1+1 2 रन जुड़ेंगे. सो 15 + 2 मेक 17. Yeah, Anusha again into the bowling attack, bowling her 2nd and 3rd over of the innings. Radhika is in the bowling attack. We are in over number 3. single to mingle. Pitching down the leg side. Wide called by umpire. This is over number 3. Very strict in a short format of the game. Anything pitching leg side will be called wide by umpire. And straight to the fielder. Still they managed to get that cheeky single. Managed to get that run, single run, 23 runs on the scoreboard. Ankita is on strike. There is a fielder still going for that run. One more to the total. Sandhya playing on 12 runs, faced 10 deliveries. A very well contribution for her team. Scoring 12 runs of 10 balls. Going for the reverse sweep. Nicely played in the gap. Looking for 2. There's a chance of a run out. And the bowler did not collect the ball, and that will be the 3rd run in the form of overthrows. One short run, okay. One short run. So, yeah, 2 plus 2, B1 category, 4 runs. B1 category అంటే కంప్లీట్లీ బ్లైండ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకు 1 రన్ తీస్తే 1 మోర్ రన్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది, 2 రన్స్ తీస్తే 2 + 2 యాడ్ అవుతుంది. 3 overs gone, scoreboard says 28 for the loss of 1 wicket, 7 more overs to go. That means you have 42 balls to face. Let us see what they collect in remaining 42 balls. 3 ఓవర్లు ముగిసేసరికి 28 పరుగులు, 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి. స్ట్రైకర్స్ ఉమెన్ Sirisha. Change in the bowling, a new bowler introduced, Sirisha. back live into the match. We are in over number 4, 32 runs on the scoreboard. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. We are in over number 6. 4 more overs to go after this. The 50 runs up, 50 up, 51 on the scoreboard. మిగిలిన 4 ఓవర్లో సంధ్య 50 పరుగులు సాధిస్తదా? 35 పైన ఆడుతుంది. షీ ఈస్ ప్లేయింగ్ ఆన్ 35 రన్స్. 15 runs required. A great of batting Sandhya. We are in over number 6. 57 runs on the scoreboard with that single run. As I said, Sandhya playing on 36. Just 14 required for half century. సంధ్య 50 పరుగులు సాధిస్తారా? అవును అనుకుంటే వై టైప్ చేయండి, కాదు అంటే ఎన్ టైప్ చేసేసి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 9490101084 కి. 14 రన్స్ కావాలి, ఇంకా 14 పరుగులు కావాలి. 50 సాధిస్తుందా? $1 మిలియన్ ప్రశ్న. అవునా కాదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఒపీనియన్ పోల్ ఇక్కడ. చాలా మంది సంధ్యకి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. 76% సే అవును, ఎస్ లో రిప్లై. 24% say no. Sandhya playing on 37. Sandhya playing on 38. Just 12 short of her half century. Remain last 4. We are in over number 7. Pitch down the leg side, but there is a connection with the bat. Umpire will not declare it as a white ball because there was a snick from the bat. We are in over number 7. Nicely fielded. Still they managed to get that run. Stealing runs. आंखों में इशारा हो गया और देखते ही देखते एक रन पूरा हो गया. मानो किसी ने आंखों से काजल चुरा लिया हो. इन दो बैटर्स ने एक रन चुरा लिया है. Ankita on strike. Nicely hit, clean hit. Finds a fielder in the deep, a short mid wicket. 62 runs on the scoreboard. We are in over number 7. V Sandhya playing on 40. Just 10 required. Nicely swept for a single. 42 for her name, Sandhya. Just 8 required. Ankita, nice supporting role. 19 runs from Ankita, facing 15 deliveries. Sandhya on strike, playing on 42, just 8 required. Misfielding, sloppy fielding, gets 2 more. Playing on 44, Sandhya, just 6 required. Seven overs gone, scoreboard shows us 67 for the loss of 1 wicket, 3 extras, 7 overs gone, 67 runs on the scoreboard, 3 overs to go. Hello. We are awaiting for Sandhya's 50. Great show put on by Sandhya. She is playing on 48. Just 2 required for our half century. Sandhya the batter. We are in over number 8. For Sandhya. Great show put on. Devastating innings. Hammered the ball to every corner of the ground. And this time Ankita. Just for a single, nice supporting role from Ankita also. 8 overs gone, 76 runs on the scoreboard for the loss of 1 wicket. 2 overs remain. That means you have 12 balls to face. 8 ओवर की समाप्ति पर 76 रन, 1 विकेट का नुकसान. आखिरी 2 ओवर है. देखना है कितना कुछ जोड़ते हैं, कितना कुछ बटोरते हैं ये 2 बैटर्स. 8 ఓవర్లు ముగిసేసరికి 76 పరుగులు, 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి 2 ఓవర్లు మాత్రమే మిగిలి ఉన్నాయి. దట్ మీన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ 12 balls to face. 12 balls లో somewhere around 24 వస్తే ఒక 100 runs వస్తాయి. 100 runs is a fightable total అనుకోవచ్చు. 12 balls లో 24 రావాలి, ఇంకా 100 సాధించాలంటే. సంధ్య is a dangerous batter. సంధ్య ఉన్నంత వరకు అది సాధ్యమే. Niga is the bowler. There is a change in the bowling. Niga into the bowling attack. This is over number 9. Let's see what they said the target in the coming 12 balls. Nicely swept. We managed to get that comfortable run. Ankita playing on 23. Sandhya is on the batting, scoring half century for the team. 52 for Sandhya. 10 balls remain. Waited for the delivery, waited for the ball, and in the last, swept to the square leg region for a single. 80 runs coming up. Sandhya playing on 52. Definitely they go look the score, the team score, to get somewhere around 100. Somewhere around 100 will be a fightable total. A dot ball. No runs coming of that. Niga just considered 4 runs in 4 deliveries. Nicely fielded, but didn't throw on the wicket. There was a chance of a run out. 82 runs on the scoreboard. Last ball of the 9th over. This will be the last ball of the 9th over. Nicely fielded. Still they managed to get that run. Going for every run. Striking the ball. 9 overs gone. It's 83 runs on the scoreboard. Last over to go. ఒక ఓవర్ మాత్రమే మిగిలి ఉంది ఇక్కడ. అంటే 6 balls మాత్రమే ఫేస్ చేయాలి. సమ్వేర్ అరౌండ్ 100 స్కోర్ చేస్తే ఒక మంచి స్కోర్ అనుకోవచ్చు. ఓవర్ 10 runs per over. శ్రావణి into the bowling attack. చూడాలి మరి సాధిస్తారా. 50 అయితే సాధించింది సంధ్య. టీమ్ స్కోర్ కూడా ఓవర్ 9 runs per over ఉంది. మంచి రన్ రేట్ తో. Underarm throw, still they get a run. 5 balls remain, 84 runs on the scoreboard. Sandhya to face Sangeeta. Two comfortable runs for Sandhya. 86. Last 4 balls remain. What they set the target in 10 overs. 86, somewhere around 95, 96. The ball was high up in the air, but ground, safe landing on the ground. 87 runs, 3 balls to go. Last 3 balls to go in the 10th over. 3 balls. Let us see what the target they'll set for the opponent team. There is a chance of a run out. Underarm throw, but the keeper did not gather that ball. Managed to get that run, and they're looking for the second run also in the form of overthrows. "90 runs, last 2 balls to go." Sandhya getting 2 runs, 61 runs for Sandhya. Last ball to go, 92 runs on the scoreboard. This ball will set the target. In limited 60 balls, 92 runs already. "93 runs, 10 overs gone, 94 is the target in 60 balls. మిత్రులారా, 65 సాధించిన సంధ్య. వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ కూడా ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. వెరీ హ్యాపీ మ్యాన్ ఆన్ ద వరల్డ్. సంధ్య, a big applause for Sandhya scoring 65 runs for the team. "94" is the target. Anusha is on the striker end and Renuka is on the non-striker's end. Deepika is into the bowling attack. The umpire has signed to go off. 94 to get in 60 deliveries. First ball of the inning, second inning. Anusha is the batter. A new term used, batter, because there's a lot of women cricket in India. A common word is a batter from ICCI, International Cricket Council. Your first runs coming off that ball. They are looking for the two, but chance of a run out. And out, the first wicket gone. Fighters lose their wicket. Deepika Prajapati. There was no need of the second run, going for that second run. రెండో పరుగు అసలు అక్కడ అవసరం లేదు, ఫీల్డర్ దగ్గర బాల్ ఉంది. Completely falling short and lose their first wicket in the form of run out. The new batter, Smiley, the new batter, straight to the fielder, again going for that run. The non-striker batter coming very early for that run. Strikers versus fighters. Renuka is batting B1. Very lucky that ball did not carry to the wickets. Dot ball coming. संपर्क नहीं, नतीजा वही, कोई रन नहीं. ये पहला ही ओवर चल रहा है. एक बड़े टोटल का पीछा कर रहे हैं. 94 रन चाहिए. White ball pitching down the leg side. Again, no connection with the bat and ball. No chance of a run there. We are in the first over. Again, playing the reverse sweep. Deepika, last ball of the first over, 5 runs on the scoreboard. Waited for that ball till the last and playing that ball into the short fine leg. Overgone, 6 runs on the scoreboard without with loss of 1 wicket. Wicket gone in the form of run out in the first over, third ball of the first over. మొదటి ఓవర్ ముగిసేసరికి 6 పరుగులు, 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి. Fighters, Anita coming into the bowling attack. Smiley taking that comfortable run. One more to the total, 7 runs. We are in over number 2, chasing a mammoth total of 94. trying to sweep that ball, not able to connect on the stroke. No run. Again. Good bowling. It was very close to the wicket. Wicket number 2 falls. She's bowled him. Out. The ball going into the wickets. 2 wickets gone for fighters. Harishma is the new batter. Will be replacing Renuka. B1 is out. She's bowled, completely missing the stumps. 2 wickets gone. Smiley has a lot of responsibility on her shoulders because already they have lost 2 wickets. Some sensible innings have to be displayed here. A partnership is needed. Ankita picking that wicket, bowling to the wicket, straight to the wicket. 1 comfortable run, 8 runs on the scoreboard. We are in over number 2. One more run, 9 runs on the scoreboard. Last ball of the second over. Over gone, 2 overs gone, 10 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. Fighters have to score 48 balls, 84 runs to win this match. 48 లో 84 స్కోర్ చేయాలి ఇంకా. అంటే ప్రతి ఓవర్ కి 12 రన్స్ రావాలి. We are in over number 3. Deepika into the bowling, trying to sweep that ball but completely beaten. ఏదైతే డాట్ బాల్స్ ఉన్నాయో అది రన్ రేట్ పెంచుతుంది. ఆస్కింగ్ రేట్ 11 పైన కొట్టాలి ప్రతి ఓవర్ కి. డాట్ బాల్స్ చాలా స్లో బ్యాటింగ్ జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ. ఆస్కింగ్ రేట్ ఏమో 11 పైన. Oh, there is a chance of a run out. The third wicket lost by fighters. Who is the fielder? Fielder name please. Fielder name. Keeper. Keeper parent. Hamsika. Okay. Well kept there, Hamsika. Third wicket in the form of run out. New batter Sangeeta, B1 K Sangeeta. She's a B1 player. We are in over number 3. Lost 3 early wickets, 2 runouts and 1 bowled. Sangeeta is the new batter. Ball pitching outside the off stump, wide declared by umpire. Runs coming from that wide ball, extra run, extra delivery. We are over number 3. Time to change the gears because the asking rate creeps up over 11 runs per over. Going for that run. B1 gets 2 runs. B1 Sangeeta batter gets 2 runs for that. 13 runs on the scoreboard. Last ball. Sorry. 3 balls to go. Smiley is on the striker end. One run to Smiley. 13 plus 1, 14 runs on the scoreboard. 44 balls, 80 runs to win this match. More than 11 runs to score in an over. It's time to change the gears. Go in the top gear and score a few runs for the team. Looking for 2. No, they settle down with that single run. 16 runs on the scoreboard. Last ball of the third over. Last ball of the third over. Smiley gets a single run, retains the strike. 3 overs gone, 17 runs on the scoreboard for the loss of 3 wickets. 7 overs to go, 42 balls. "77 runs to win this match. 42 balls, 77 runs to win this match. Over 11 runs to score in an over. The asking rate creeps up. We are in over number 4. This will be the 4th over. Anita into the bowling attack, and Smiley picking up that single run. 18 runs on the scoreboard. Over number 4 is in the progress. డీజే కొంచెం సౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయండి, వాళ్ళు డిస్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు, బౌలర్స్ డిస్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతారు. బౌలర్స్ కానీ బ్యాటర్ కానీ డిస్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతారు. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ఓవర్ అయిన తర్వాత ప్లే చేయాలి. లీగల్ డెలివరీ ఇది కొంచెం ఆఫ్ స్టంప్ కి ఆవల పడినా స్టిల్ ఇట్స్ లీగల్ డెలివరీ. ఫోర్త్ ఓవర్ ఇది, 18 runs. Straight to the fielder. Sangeeta B1, 2 runs దొరుకుతుంది ఇక్కడ. 20 runs on the scoreboard. $74 స్కోర్ చేయాలి ఇంకా 39 balls లో. 39 balls, 74 runs to win this match. 7 wickets in hand. Smiley waiting for that ball and played in the last just for a single, managed to get that run. Four runs coming off that first 4 balls, the fourth over. Declared a wide, pitching down the leg side. Extra run. 21 runs on the scoreboard. 22 runs on the scoreboard. Needs 72 in 38. Last ball of the fourth over. చివరి బంతి ఇది, 4వ ఓవర్ చివరి బంతి. మంచి పార్ట్నర్షిప్ బిల్డ్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ సంగీత స్మైలీ మధ్య. 18 runs పార్ట్నర్షిప్, కానీ కొంచెం స్లో అవుతుంది. 6 overs ఉన్నాయి దీని తర్వాత. 36 balls లో ఎంత స్కోర్ చేయాలి? 70 runs స్కోర్ చేయాలి 37 balls లో. లాస్ట్ బాల్ ఇది, 4th over లాస్ట్ బాల్. స్ట్రేట్ టు ద బౌలర్, మంచి డైవ్ తోని ఆపగలిగింది బౌలర్. 4 overs gone, 24 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. ఇప్పుడు 36 లో కావాల్సింది 70, అంటే 6 overs లో 70 కొట్టాలి. 12 పరుగులు కావాలి ప్రతి ఓవర్ కి. 12 runs required per over. That means you have to hit 3 boundaries in an over. 4 overs, 24 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. 36 balls లో 70 runs కావాలి ఇంకా. We are in over number 5. Smiley playing on 10 runs. 10 runs పైన ఆడుతుంది. 11 balls ఫేస్ చేసింది స్మైలీ. మంచి సపోర్ట్ దొరుకుతుంది సంగీత. 8 runs, 5 బంతులలో 8 పరుగులు సాధించింది. కొంచెం స్లోగా బ్యాటింగ్, అంటే అటాకింగ్ లేదు. రిక్వైర్డ్ రన్ రేట్ ఏమో 12 పరుగులు కావాలి ప్రతి ఓవర్కి. అంటే ఓవర్లో 12 వచ్చినా విన్ కి దగ్గర అవుతారు. We are in over number 5. 27 runs on the scoreboard. Going for that single run, 28 runs on the scoreboard. Partnership is okay, bit slow. Gaps lo ఆడాలి, షార్ట్ సెలెక్షన్ చేసేసి స్కోర్ బోర్డ్ టిక్ చేయాలి. 12 పరుగులు కావాలి ప్రతి ఓవర్లో. 33 balls 66 runs అంటే కంప్లీట్లీ డబుల్. ఫాలో త్రూ లో ఆడితే మాత్రం రన్స్ దొరకవు. ఐదర్ ఒక పెద్ద గ్యాప్ ఉంది కవర్ రీజియన్ లో, ఫైన్ లెగ్స్ లో గ్యాప్ ఉంది, డీప్ మిడ్ వికెట్ లో గ్యాప్ ఉంది. సో షార్ట్ సెలెక్షన్ చేసేటప్పుడు యూ షుడ్ కీప్ ఇన్ మైండ్ వెరీ సెలెక్టివ్ గా ఉంటేనే రన్స్ సాధిస్తారు. అదర్వైజ్ స్ట్రైకర్స్ మంచి ఫీల్డింగ్ మంచి బౌలింగ్ తో ఒక రన్ దొరుకుతుంది, కానీ గ్యాప్ లో కాదు, స్ట్రేట్ టు ద ఫీల్డర్. 31 runs, లాస్ట్ బాల్ ఆఫ్ ద 5th ఓవర్. ఒక బాల్ మిగిలి ఉంది, 5వ ఓవర్ లాస్ట్ బాల్. balls లో 63 కావాలి ఇంకా. నైస్లీ ఇప్పుడు గ్యాప్ లో ఆడగలిగింది. ఒక రన్ మాత్రమే దొరుకుతుంది, ఒక పరుగు. 5 overs gone, 33 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. 5 ఓవర్లు ముగిసేసరికి 33 పరుగులు, 3 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి. ఇప్పుడు మిగిలి ఉన్న 30 బంతులలో 61 పరుగులు కావాలి. 61 runs కావాలి. మహేశ్వరి చేంజ్ ఇన్ ద బౌలింగ్. చాలా అవుట్ సైడ్ ద ఆఫ్ స్టంప్ వేసింది, వైడ్ దొరుకుతుంది ఇక్కడ, ఎక్స్ట్రా రన్. సంగీత on the strike, B1. Two runs దొరుకుతాయి ఇక్కడ సంగీతకి, B1. 36 runs on the scoreboard. అంటే ఒక స్ట్రాటజీతో ఆడాలి. అంకిత స్మైలీ ఎక్కువ స్ట్రైక్ సంగీతకి ఇవ్వాలి, అంటే ప్రతి రన్ కి 2 runs ఎక్స్ట్రా దొరుకుతాయి కావున ఎక్కువ స్ట్రైక్ సంగీతకి ఇవ్వాలి. 36 runs on the scoreboard, 6th ఓవర్ ఇది. 29 balls 58 runs కావాలి ఇంకా. అపీల్ చేశారు ఇక్కడ రన్అట్ కి, కానీ ద ఎంపైర్ రిఫ్యూజ్ ద డిసిషన్ అండ్ ఎంపైర్ ఇస్ అన్మూవ్డ్. వెరీ నైస్ ఎంపైరింగ్, వెరీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ ఎంపైర్, official umpires of today. Sangeeta on strike, B1 batter. రెండు పరుగులు ఇక్కడ. సేఫ్ ల్యాండింగ్, ఎటువంటి నష్టం లేదు. స్లైట్ రన్అట్ కి అపీల్ చేశారు అక్కడ. మంచి డ్రాగ్ చేస్తూ వస్తుంది స్మైలీ బ్యాట్ ని. సో షీ సేఫ్ 39 రన్స్. సింగిల్స్ డబుల్స్ తో కాదండి, బౌండరీలో అయినా సిక్సర్లు అయినా కొట్టాలి. ఏంటంటే 27 బాల్స్ లో 56 కావాలి, ఇంకా 55 కావాలి. 27 బాల్స్ 55 runs to win this match. Strikers ఆపగలరా చూడాలి మరి. 40 runs on the scoreboard. Last ball of the 6th over. ఫైటర్స్ కి కావాలి ఇంకా 25 బాల్స్ లో 54 కావాలి, ఇంకా 25-54. నైస్లీ ఫీల్డింగ్, నో ఛాన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ రన్. ఎటువంటి ఛాన్స్ లేదు అక్కడ. 6 overs gone, 40 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. 4 ఓవర్లు మిగిలి ఉన్నాయి. 4 overs remain. 24 balls లో 54 కావాలి. 24-54. 24 balls లో 54 కావాలి ఇంకా. Required 54 in a 24 balls. Let us see the fighters. Good partnership, but falling a bit slow. Smiley playing on 14 runs. Sangeeta playing on 18. A good partnership, but falling a little slow. Required 54 more in 24 deliveries just. Over 14 runs to score per over. Hansika in the bowling attack. Bowling her first and 7th over of the innings. Just for a single. Smiley. 23 balls, 53 runs to win this match. Sangeeta B1 is the batter. This is over number 7. 3 more overs to go. Pitching down the leg side, and umpire no hesitation in giving that wide. Extra run, extra delivery coming. Without involvement of the bat, they get a run. Again, pitching down the leg side. 2 consecutive wides, 2 extra runs and 2 extra deliveries also. Hansika. Now it's a straighter ball. Nice comeback by Hansika. Bowling straighter. 43 runs on the scoreboard. 45 runs on the scoreboard. Nicely swept, but finds a fielder. Nice fielding there, no chance of a run. Strikers have a good fielding and good bowling also. They have not allowed the fighter batter to play the natural strokes. There was a return throw, but the batter is safe. 46 runs on the scoreboard. No ball. Hansika overstepping that crease line. Three runs of that no ball. 49 runs on the scoreboard. Hansika overstepping that crease line. Smiley is on the strike. 20 balls, 45 runs to win this match. 50 coming up. 50 runs of that single. Seven overs gone, 53 runs on the scoreboard. Last 3 overs to go. We are in over number 8. The scoreboard shows us 57 runs on the scoreboard. Over number 8. 14 balls, 37 runs to win this match. "14 balls, 37 runs to win this match." Nicely hit. They were surely looking for 2. Smiley wanted that run, but there was no support from the non-striker. Just settling down with that single. 59 runs on the scoreboard. Last ball of the 8th over. Last ball of the 8th over. 13 balls lo 35 కావాలి ఇంకా. Looking for 2, and they get it. 61 runs after completion of 8 overs. 12 balls low. 33 కావాలి ఇంకా. 12 balls, 33 runs to win this match. Last 12 balls. స్ట్రైకర్ కెప్టెన్ ఎవరు నమ్ముతారో 9th ఓవర్ వేయడానికి చూడాలి మరి. 12 balls లో మహేశ్వరి వచ్చింది 9th ఓవర్ వేయడానికి. Maheshwari into the attack, bowling her first and 9th over of the innings. Second over of Maheshwari. Call for 2, but they settle down with that single run. 63 runs on the scoreboard. 11 balls, 31 runs. 11 balls, 31 runs to win this match. Bat to Nadanda. Yes, it is from the bat. 10 runs, 10 balls, 30 runs to win this match. Very slow ball, swept, nicely fielding there. 2 runs coming off that. 66 runs on the scoreboard. 9 balls, 28 runs to win this match. 9 balls, 28. Again swept. Just for a single, 67 runs. No matter taking singles and doubles because they are chasing a massive total, mammoth total of 94 runs. Need 27 in 8 deliveries. All boundaries will make fighters win, but that doesn't happen occasionally. That doesn't happen often. Hello. 9 overs gone. 69 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. 1 over remains. Need 25 runs in 6 balls. Offside this time. Just picking up single. 70 runs on the scoreboard. Five balls, 24 runs to win this match. 5 balls, 24 to get. Four balls now. 22 required in 4 balls. Last 4 balls. 24 required. 22 required. No ball. Runs in the form of no ball and free hit also. This would be a free hit. Free hit ball. Last 3 balls to go, 21 runs to score. Fighters chasing a mammoth total of 94, just falling short. 3 balls, 21 runs. Smiley looking for that second run, but settled with the single. Last 2 balls, 20. White ball, last 2 balls, 20 runs.
Hello.
2 balls, 20 runs to win this match. And strikers are in a driver's seat. Mission impossible for the fighters. 1 ball, 19 runs to win this match. It is mission impossible. One ball, 19 runs. Overgone, and the strikers win this match by 7 wickets. Well played, strikers. And the innings, we cannot forget the innings, 61 runs innings by Sandhya, scoring half century for her team. Well done, strikers, and tough luck, fighters.